What happened?
Looks stock.
It does look stock. That thing is far from stock. Damn, GTR boys are out today. What's up, guys? They watching another video. We out here today. All the GTRs are out. We're about to hit this little car meet today. It's a Hoonigan grand opening, so I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of people. We're gonna meet with the homie Sammy with the Aventador. The homie Bulletproof just picked up this GTR. This thing is clean, bro. It looks stock wheels, stock everything, but it has bigger turbos and upgraded transmission. He said it's capable of making 1200, so that's insane. And then we got my slow GTR, Kix's Nismo. So all the GTRs are out today. Cop pulled up. Don't worry, officer, they're all stock. Guys, look at the taillight. Shit is crazy. I don't think I've ever seen that before. It looks pretty sick. I don't know how it does that, but damn. Samuel Jackson. Now we got the new M4. That shit's hard, dude. That color is crazy. Alright guys, we just met up with the homies. Look at this car though. You're vlogging? Damn, that shit's nice. And a stick shift? Oh my god, guys. Guys, I want one of these, I'm not gonna lie. At first, I was hesitant because of the front grille. I'm sure everybody was, but dude, honestly, it's a really nice car. And it's stick shift, like what? This orange interior is pretty crazy too. Man, this thing's brand new. Look at this. Still got the tags on. It is crazy that they made them stick shift though in like 2021. A lot of companies aren't even doing that anymore. A lot of companies are trying to go full hybrid, but sick how BMW kept an engine and made a stick shift. Look at the dash too, guys. It's full digital. Fully digital dash. That's a sick ass spec. This Nardo gray with like an orange interior. And then of course, Sammy's car. Loud as hell. What do you guys think would happen if he shot flames and I was this close? I'd probably go deaf. You guys remember this thing from the last couple of videos? TJ Hunt's old Aventador. This thing is so freaking loud. Damn guys, we got all the sick ass cars out here. GTR, Nismo, Aventador, G80, G82. I'm gonna take this, guys. I'm taking it. Peace out. Damn, this shit smells good in here. Oh my god. That's the ultimate dream car right there. An Aventador V12 straight pipe. I love when the GTR is all clean. This thing is super clean. Finally, for once. I feel like every car meet I go to, my car is dirty. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen my car in person. It's always dirty. I just drive so much. But right now, it's super rare that my car is clean. Man, look at Jordan's shirt though. Sheesh. On Friday, guys, August 20th, I'm dropping these. Look how sick it is. It's my car, bro. You like it? Pretty clean, huh?
I'll buy one.
That's carbon fiber look.
Oh, I didn't even notice it.
I need to get a rematch with Sammy. I'm a fully 85, and I'm not gonna hold the camera this time. I'm gonna use my anti-lag and everything. Jordan's gonna film it. I like it. Alright guys, we made it. It is already packed, bro. I guess we're going in. Damn, bro. Look at the E46 and the E92. The whole BMW lineup. And the E36, bro. E90. Bro, look, we're in the Hoonigan freaking pit. That's crazy, dude. We're really in here. Damn, there's so many cars. What the fuck is this? Bro, what is that? Oh, we ended up parking out here on the front. We got the whole lineup of all the homies. Guys, look how big that lip is. Holy shit, bro. The turbo's just sitting right here. Oh my god, dude. What is coming in, bro? Holy shit, that shit sounds crazy. Guys, there's a lot of sick cars here. Like, there's legit some really sick cars. Oh my god, bro. I want to go see what that is. Got a lowrider. That thing's crazy. Oh my god, this might be the craziest Tesla I've ever seen. Look at this. Fully tracked out. Oh my god, they gutted it, bro. Gutted a Tesla, made it a full track car. Damn, that thing actually looks pretty sick. Some cop cars. The Tesla's probably quick, honestly. Trying to run from that cop. Look at this Gladiator, guys. Look at the engine it has in it. Hellcat?
Fast as fuck, boy.
Yeah, that shit is probably quick, bro. I feel like I see this car at every car show now. With the big ass tires in the back. Bro, that thing is tiny. That. Sammy, sit in there, bro. Sammy can pick it up, bro. That shit is small, dude. I've never seen one of these in my life. What is this, dude?
Yeah, there's no way.
He said he's bigger than the car. Damn, that shit is tiny, bro. I mean, look, these cars are tiny on its own. But look at it next to this. Look at the TEs, how small they are.
This shit is cute, bro. It's like a little toy.
No way they're that small, dude.
Oh, this is probably fun as fuck to drive.
That shit is probably fun. That 240 is clean, bro. That's the one we need.
No, I want that one. That's 14.
Oh, that one's hard too, but I like this one, bro. Sheesh. And it's red. I want one, guys. I've always wanted one. I need to start buying a bunch of little project cars, huh? That's what I really need to do. And then we got an R32 right next to it, another 240. This thing is beautiful, bro. That front end's hard. On BBS's. Sheesh.
I would have traded my M4.
It's clean. You trade the M4 out there? Run over anything, bro. Look at all the suspension, dude. You guys think this thing's fast? It doesn't look fast until you see there's a parachute. And the interior is like fully gutted. What is that, bro? People are insane. They literally just grab the Porsche from the dealer and then just gut the entire thing and make it a full race car. Look at the exhaust on this thing. Titanium exhaust. Big ass spoiler. Like huge spoiler. 720S on some 4-star wheels. The same wheels I had on my E92. It actually looks pretty cool on a supercar. And then you guys remember this Vet? I actually put this in my vlog like probably 2 years ago. It looks exactly the same how it used to, but this is the most craziest looking Corvette I've seen because of this thing. Big ass turbo just sitting outside of the hood. Bro, you gotta have balls to be driving around like that. What if a cop sees that, dude? You're literally screwed, bro. That's not stock whatsoever. What do you even tell a cop? I don't know, bro. My turbo flew out the hood. This thing's pretty sick too, whatever this thing is. Full race car. Imagine driving this. This shit'll be so much fun. It's like a real life video game. I wonder if it's fast. Probably is. R33. I think it's Dustin's car. Probably is. It has to be, right? Who else has like a midnight purple R33 on these wheels? That's just nice. Every car here is like super freaking clean. And like super nice. I don't know. NSX. Oh my god, that thing is beautiful. I love his wheel setup, bro. And his brakes. Everything about this. So clean. There's an E36 here. M3. This thing is so clean. It's actually more clean than mine. My E36 is pretty clean, guys. But this one's like spotless, bro. It's probably worth a lot of money too. They're actually going up in price. I should have kept mine and sold it now. I want another one. They're just hella expensive now. And the E92, so clean. The whole Beamer squad right here. Laguna Seca Blue is so nice, bro. On TEs.
That is a clean color combo.
That color combo is clean, bro. Another NSX over here and a Honda. Gustavo? One headlight? Guys, I'm telling you, there's some crazy cars here. I feel like I'm in Need for Speed or something. Like every car here is like super modified and like just one of a kind. I don't know. Which one are you guys taking? The E36, E90, E92, E46, another E46. I don't know which one I would take. I'm probably gonna take the Laguna Seca Blue E46. Damn, another E36 with the LS in it and a full roll cage. Woo! This is what I wish. I wish we put more bars in my roll cage when we did mine. This thing is crazy, bro. Look at this. Big old slick. Some nitrous? What is that button for? What do you think that button does, bro? This thing is sick. God damn. That was the thing that was making all that noise when we first got here. Guys, look at that merch, bro. I'm so excited for these to drop. I'm actually wearing the M3 one, but it's hard to see. Oh, I can't show you. But I'm wearing the M3 Beamer Club one. It's actually a really clean C8. That color is nice. I like them. Oh, I thought it was an M3. Simple. Just simple and clean. 350Z right there. I need that. That's gold right there. Damn, that shit is hard. This thing's crazy, bro. Oh! Almost lost it. Damn, that's hard, bro. Sick how he has like a little horn for the headlight. This shit's so nice. That shit's sick. Freaking drag fancy. Probably so fast, I'd be scared to drive that. That's a full track car right there. Damn, bro. That shit looks so funny. I don't know why. Tired? God, bro, you can really see the flames in the daytime. What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
My daddy bought me this car.
He's so stupid. That's a big ass car, dude. On a random McLaren? Sammy's trying to race? We're about to whip the M4. This is my first time ever driving a G82, G82.
Sport.
Damn. Sport?
Yeah, there you go. You're gonna get
That's
gapped,
everything?
bro. Yeah, that's everything.
We're about to
You're
race
gonna
the
get
Supra.
gapped right now. Easy.
Let's see.
Please don't crash my car.
I won't crash it. Don't crash my car.
I want to scrape the lip.
Don't break the lip, bro. That's all I care
Is it
about.
really?
Alright, guys. Everything is in sport. This thing is sick. Look at this. You can change sport, comfort, putting everything in sport. Alright.
I got it down the street.
Bro, it's so weird driving like a modern car that's stick shift. Like, this doesn't look like it belongs in here, honestly. Like, this is literally the same shift knob I had in my E36. Which is crazy, because how old is that car compared to this? Like, it's insane. But yeah, guys, I'm whipping the M4 and the homie's gonna whip my GTR. So let's see how this goes. You better not break my lip, bro. I'll be so sad. Damn.
I like it.
Damn, the GTR does look good though. Would you guys trade this new M4 for my GTR? Everyone comment down below. I want to know you guys' opinion. Everybody's honking. We're about to see how fast this thing is. I've never driven one in my life. This is my first time ever driving one. I don't even know what motor these have. I've never looked into them really, but... Oh, I haven't driven stick shift in a long time. Woo, look what it is. A Performante, I think. Damn. Big baller. Oh, shit. Bro, it's pretty quick. So quiet, like I cannot hear this car over all these other cars, especially over the Aventador. Guys, I'm not even the biggest fan of orange, but this orange interior is clean. That shit sounds so sick. I never get to see my own car drive. Oh my god, bro. It's pretty fun for a modern car, being stick shift. It's a little weird getting used to. Oh my god, Sammy, that shit sounds crazy. I wish there was an exhaust on this car, guys. You can't hear anything, like literally. A little bit, but barely anything. It is quick though, I'm not gonna lie. Bro, you can see the flames in the daytime. Well, that was fun. It was very hard to drive and shift at the same time though, so I didn't really film that much, but I should brought my GoPro. That would have been a sick video. It's pretty sick, I like it.
It's nice.
It's just like too quiet for me.
It's a lighter Nardo grade than that Nardo.
I know, that's Nardo, so it's a little lighter than that. It drives nice. It just wasn't that like, I'm gonna be honest, it wasn't that crazy, bro. Like, it doesn't feel like an M car, I feel like. It kind of feels like I was driving just a base model, newer BMW. Just too smooth, too quiet. Maybe if this thing was like full bolt-ons, full exhaust, loud as fuck, it would be pretty fun.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.